paragraph arrangement and completion. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words out of given options. With a view to assess vocabulary level and skill of proper use of words, there are blanks given in a passage. These blanks are required to be filled with appropriate words out of those given as their options. Out of these, one word which is the most appropriate is to be filled in the blank space. Sometimes these words have very close proximity in meaning with each other. There is a chance that more than one word appear to be suitable for use, but the most appropriate word according to its meaning and use in the blank space is required to be selected and filled in it. For this, a fair good knowledge of language and proper use of words is essentially required. A wrong word or a misplaced use of words sometimes makes a havoc with the meaning of the sentence. While selecting appropriate words, the method of selection and rejection of words given as options can be used. A constant practice and wide reading only makes this simpler and easier. Here are some exercises for practice. In the following passage, there are blanks which are jumbled. Against these numbers below the passage are given words. Find out the appropriate one of these words, group of words that fits in the blank. Banks have been blank to conduct loan melas to disburse loans blank, quality of loaning process, and banks have been instructed to blank loans so that vote bank of ruling party is blank and become greater. For the first blank, options given are coerced, compelled, pressed, forced, induced. Out of these words, induced, pressed, and compelled do not appear to be correct words to be used in this blank. Coerced and forced appear to be the words which can be used in this blank, but force is the most appropriate word that we can use in this blank. Banks have been forced to conduct loan melas. For the second blank, options are forfeiting, foregoing, yielding, sacrificing, denouncing. The words denouncing, foregoing, yielding, and forfeiting do not appear to be appropriate for use in this blank. However, sacrificing is the most appropriate word to be used in this blank. For the third blank, the words given are marking off, writing off, diminishing, trimming, cutting off. Out of all these words, cutting off, trimming, diminishing do not appear to be correct words to be used in this blank. However, marking off is also not used by banks. Only the word used by banks is writing off for bad loans. Banks have been instructed to write off loans so that vote banks of ruling party is. Here is fourth blank. For this, words are protected, secured, safe, thriving, shattered. Out of all these words, shattered, sheltered, thriving, secured, protected do not appear to be the correct words. However, safe is the most appropriate word to be used in this blank. For the fifth blank, the words are transmit, carry out, transact, convey, conduct. Here the word conduct, transact and convey and transmit are not to be used in this blank. However, carry out is the most appropriate word to be used in this blank. For the sixth blank, banks have been used to carry out all known. For the sixth blank, the most appropriate word is productive. Non-productive services like tax collection or salary payment or dispersing subsidy oriented loans under various government sponsored schemes or dash. Here the words given are careless, reckless, inattentive, rash, thoughtless. Here reckless is the most appropriate word because thoughtless and rash do not appear to be correct. Similarly, careless and inattentive also does not suit well here. In the eighth blank, the words given are growth, development, expansion, extension, increase. The words increase, extension, and development do not appear to be correct. However, growth also does not appear to be correct, the word to be used here. The only word is expansion, the branch expansion. That means to increase number of branches in the name of service area approach or PM Jan Dhan Yojana. Further, to make the situation worse, banks have been dash in this blank. The words to be used are instructed, directed, focused, absorbed, permitted. Permitted, absorbed do not appear to be used. Similarly, instructed, focused also are not to be used in this blank. However, directed is the most appropriate word to be used in this blank. And allowed previous government to do non-banking business like insurance, mutual fund, demat, etc. In this way, banks dash. Here the words given are surrendered, forfeited, sacrificed, foregone, lost. Lost, foregone, forfeited do not appear to be correct. However, surrendered also does not appear to be correct. Only word to be used here is sacrificed. Sacrifice the safety of banks. Dash. In this blank, the words given in options are basic, course, central, essential, primary. Essential, primary, central are not correct words to be used here. Basic is also not the correct word. The only word is core assets. Banks use core assets as their main assets to express their main assets and wasted time in capturing insurance business from own customers. They could earn a few crores of rupees in commission on selling insurance policies, but they lost hundreds and thousands of crores of rupees by financing to bad borrowers or by dash. The given options are ignoring, avoiding, neglecting, overlooking, disregarding. Here the most appropriate word to be used is neglecting. By neglecting monitoring loan asset or writing of bad loans, there is a saying, penny wise, pound foolish. The next exercise is in the following passage there are blanks which are numbered. Against these numbers below the passage are given words. Find out the appropriate one of these words, group of words that fits in the blank. Parenting a child is not dash taught anywhere. The words given in the options are formally, originally, officially, ceremonially, strictly. Out of all these words, the word formally is the most appropriate word to be used in this blank. All learn from their own experience. This also depends on how well dash a person is. The words given in options are trained, guarded, educated, skilled, cultured, accomplished. Out of these words, educated word is the most appropriate word. How well educated a person is. For a person, it can be very dash job. Words given are clever, skillful, expert, competent, useful, proficient. Out of these words, skillful is the most appropriate word. can be a very skillful job, and the other can leave the child to grow without proper guidance for becoming a good citizen. Some parents believe in giving total dash and insist that a child must not be checked for anything in dash years. For the blank number 4, autonomy, sovereignty, independence, freedom, choice are the given options. The most appropriate word is freedom, because independence, sovereignty, choice, autonomy do not fit here. For the fifth blank, options are creative, formative, decision, influential, determinative. Here formative is the appropriate word, because during the formative years it may appear true for the present day generation, but it is firmly believed that a child must be taught to distinguish between right and wrong. There is a dire need of dash for a child to at every step. Dire need of dash. The given options are guidance, supervision, direction, regulation, control. Out of these words, guidance is the proper word. There is a dire need of guidance for a child at every step. Children learn most of life skills at an early stage. It is very easy to dash. The given options are maltreat, spoil, pamper, misbehave, nourish. Pamper is the most appropriate word to be used here. Children with money and material gifts, but a dash parent. In the given blank, options are vigilant, careless, overindulgent, prudent, cautious. Prudent is the most appropriate word to be used here. Prudent parent, one has to draw a line as to which demand of children is to be met and what is politely and firmly declined. There is no need to dash to the pressure of child's demand. Children need to be made aware that there is no free flow of money, but money is made available to them for their all essential requirements only, so that they have a fair judgment of how much and where to spend. Parents who do not teach their kids the value of money at an early stage and do not limit their spending of money invariably blank. The words given in option are inflict, effect, impact, shield, cause. Here the word most appropriate is inflict. Inflict such lifelong damage that children sometimes ruin their lives by spending beyond their resources. Surplus or unaccounted money given to children can lead to abuse of money, poor attention to their studies, and falling dash to bad company. The given words are reason, cause, victim, influence, prey. Falling prey to bad company. This all happens only when a child is never taught the value for money at right time and feels no pain in wasting it. That is why it is important to catch children young dash planning and spending. The words given are judicious, intelligent, clever, shrewd, active. Judicious is the most appropriate word. Judicious planning and spending is essential to make the kids responsible adults who can manage their lives well. Thank you, viewers.